Hello, good morning, students. We are discussing short run equilibrium of a firm under monopoly market. In the last video lecture, we discussed what is monopoly. We discussed what are the characteristics or features of monopoly. And we have discussed first two possibilities of short run equilibrium. When firm When average revenue is greater than average cost, firm earns supernormal profit. Second, when average revenue is less than average cost, firm incurs losses. However, monopoly में firm loss incur करे ऐसा possible नहीं है. अगर है तो वो एकदम rare situation होगी और जो loss होगा वो minimum होगा. Third possibility we are going to discuss today. When average revenue and average cost are equal, firm earns only normal profit. Normal profit क्या है वो हमने perfect competition में discuss किया है. So no need to repeat. So here x-axis represents output, y-axis represents price. Okay, this is average revenue curve, this is marginal revenue curve. Now what is the essential or what are the essential conditions of equilibrium of a firm? Marginal revenue must be equal to marginal cost. Second, marginal cost curve should cut marginal revenue curve from below. So yeah, this is marginal cost. Okay, MC. This is P is the equilibrium point where marginal cost and marginal revenue are equal. Firm produces OM output at OA price, and OM is an equilibrium output. X-axis represents output, Y-axis represents price. P is the equilibrium point where marginal revenue and marginal cost are equal. Firm produces OM output at OA price. Now, this is the point where this is average. Output कितना है अपना? OM. Output is OM. Average revenue is BM. Suppose यहाँ B point हम लोग कर दें. यार एवरेज रेवेन्यू और फर्म को नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट कब होगा? व्हेन एवरेज रेवेन्यू एंड एवरेज कॉस्ट आर इक्वल. When average revenue is equal to average cost, firm earns only normal profit. So we have to draw average cost like this. Just touch here and go. This is average cost. So B point here. So average cost is also BM. Firm earns only normal profit. So this is the situation when marginal revenue is equal to marginal cost is equal to average revenue is equal to average cost. So marginal revenue is equal to marginal cost is equal to average revenue is equal to average cost. सब एक ही position में. Okay. So this is a normal profit situation. X-axis represents output, Y-axis represents price. P is the equilibrium point when marginal revenue and marginal costs are equal. Firm produces OM output at OA price, and OM is an equilibrium output. As we observe from diagram that BM average revenue is equal to BM, average cost is equal to BM. So firm earns only normal profit in this situation. Okay. So I'm repeating, when AR is greater than AC, firm earns supernormal profit. When AR is less than AC, firm incurs losses. When AR is equal to AC, firm earns only normal profit. Now, long run equilibrium. Now, here very important points should be noted. That in monopoly, there is no discrimination between firm and industry. Monopoly firm is itself an industry. So यहाँ industry की equilibrium discuss करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं. Long run equilibrium में क्या होगा? In other market, whether it is perfect competition or monopolistic competition, firm generally earns only normal profit in the long run. Perfect competition में monopolistic competition. But in monopoly market, as there is a single firm and the firm has complete control over the price of the product or output of the product, even in the long run, firm can earn supernormal profit. और supernormal profit कब होगा? When average revenue is greater than average cost. Okay. So here लॉन्ग रन इक्विलिब्रियम of a firm in monopoly. Okay, so how to draw? Okay, okay. O X Y. X axis represents output, Y axis represents price. This is average revenue curve. This is marginal revenue curve. Okay. और लॉन्ग रन में क्या होगा? फर्म इज इन अर्निंग सुपर नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट. सुपर नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट कब होगा? व्हेन average revenue is greater than average cost. It means average cost is less than average revenue. Okay, so this is here. This is marginal cost, MC. Okay, so P is the point where marginal revenue and marginal cost are equal. Firm produces OM output at OA price. Okay, how to write? X axis represents output, Y axis represents price. P is the equilibrium point where marginal revenue and marginal cost are equal. Firm produces OM output at OA price. Now, what is the situation? Output is OM. Average revenue is BM. Suppose हम लोग B नाम देते थे. Okay. So average cost is greater than average revenue. It means average cost, average revenue is greater than average cost. Average cost is less than average revenue. So obviously average cost अगर average revenue से कम है, तो average cost curve should below average revenue curve. यहाँ से curve draw करेंगे हम लोग. This is average cost curve like this. So A, B, C, D. So in our example, एवरेज कॉस्ट पर कौन सा पॉइंट है? सी. आउटपुट कितना है? OM. सो एवरेज कॉस्ट इज CM. BM एवरेज रेवेन्यू, CM एवरेज रेवेन्यू कॉस्ट. तो ये BC क्या है? BC इज पर यूनिट प्रॉफिट. बट एज वी वांट टू नो द टोटल प्रॉफिट, सो हमको क्या? BC इंटू OM. टोटल एरिया आउटपुट कितना है? OM. सो हमको टोटल रेवेन्यू मिलेगा. टोटल रेवेन्यू क्या है? OABM. सो इन आर एग्जांपल टोटल रेवेन्यू इज इक्वल टू OABM. व्हाट इज टोटल कॉस्ट? ODCM. टोटल कॉस्ट इज ODCM. OM आउटपुट जब प्रोड्यूस करेंगे फर्म, व्हेन फर्म प्रोड्यूसेस OM आउटपुट, टोटल रेवेन्यू कितना होगा? OABM. और OM आउटपुट प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए टोटल कॉस्ट कितना है? ODCM. Therefore, this rectangle ABCD क्या इंडिकेट करेगा? प्रॉफिट. Here firm is earning supernormal. Now, how to write an example? Okay, in exam, sorry. X axis represents output, Y axis represents price. Yeah. P is an equilibrium point where marginal revenue and marginal costs are equal. Firm produces OM output at OA price, and this is an equilibrium output. As we observe from diagram, when firm produces OM output, average revenue is equal to BM, average cost is equal to CM. Here average revenue is greater than average cost, so firm is earning profit, supernormal profit. In our diagram, rectangle ABCD indicates profit. Here firm is earning, here total revenue is greater than total cost, so firm is earning supernormal profit. Okay, so this is about monopoly market. So in 2 video lectures, what we discuss, what is monopoly, what are the characteristics of monopoly, short run equilibrium of a firm in monopoly market, and last, long run equilibrium of a firm in monopoly market. एक पॉइंट खास याद रखना कि परफेक्ट कंपटीशन में, मोनोपोलिस्टिक कंपटीशन में, फर्म में अर्न ओनली नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट इन द लॉन्ग रन. इन द मोनोपोली मार्केट फर्म कैन अर्न सुपर नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट इवन इन द लॉन्ग रन. ओके, आज के लिए इतना रहेगा. थैंक यू वेरी मच.